gonna be total body, but it's gonna be supersetting everything. So everything is gonna have two different things that go along with it. So the first one that we're gonna have is lateral raise and front raise. We're gonna do 10 and 10. Here we go. I have a slight bend in my knees, taking it out of my lower body. My belly button is sucked into that spine, protecting that lower back and lighting up that core. And then check to see if you got a pump. Done. So again, we got that total body. We're doing everything. We got supersetting everything, and then it's also high intensity interval training because we're getting some jumping in there and a bunch of fun. So this one is jump squat, and then we're gonna upright row. So it's two different movements. Once you come up, hit that row. My chest stays tall for that squat jump. If you're not gonna hit that squat jump, maybe you're just jumping and hitting that row. So it's an upright row, so that chest is tall, that back is straight, and you're going straight up to your elbows, or shoulders, and down. Those elbow goes straight out to the side. All right, so next one that we're gonna do is a tricep dip. So I'm gonna bend over, I'm hitting that tricep, and then you're coming back to 90 degrees. But out fun, we're gonna drop it down and doing a push-up. So if you wanna hold the weights while you do a push-up, if you wanna set the weights down, hit a push-up, grab the weights again. Whatever you wanna do, we're doing 10. Here we go. Stretch it out, take a little bit of a breather. That was working the chest and the tricep. So that is the superset part. Total body hit, going up and down. This is a good one. Okay, the next one we're doing is a deadlift, which is working the hamstrings and the glutes, and then we're gonna hit a row while we're down there. So you're gonna hit that deadlift while we're here, turn it out, row, and come back. And then stay tuned, because again, like last week, we ended with some burpees. This week, we're gonna end with something fun too. So stay tuned. All right, the last thing that you see is we're gonna do a box jump and a burpee. So much fun. We're just ending. So the other rounds, you're doing 15 to 20 reps. 4 to 5 times through. This one, you're just gonna hit 10 at the very end. Just some fun burpees, because everybody loves them. So let's hit 10 and we get to start all over. Are you ready? And then you pull it and you take a rest for 30 seconds to a minute, and then start it all over. 5 rounds. Like, subscribe, catch that breath. Don't forget to stretch at the end of your workouts. I know I don't go through a lot of stretching, but stretching is really important. So stretch it out every time, drink some water, and I will catch you next week. Bye.